In this video, I'll show you how to reset Microsoft Outlook to default settings. If Outlook is acting strangely, it's important to know that there is no single button that resets absolutely everything back to factory default. Instead, Microsoft recommends a few different reset methods depending on the problem. The most common ones are starting Outlook in safe mode to check whether add-ins are causing the issue, resetting the navigation pane, resetting custom views, and creating a new Outlook profile if your settings are badly corrupted. Let's start with one of the easiest options, which is Safe Mode. Microsoft says you can start Outlook in Safe Mode to load it without add-ins. If Outlook works normally there, the problem is probably caused by one of your add-ins. You can then go into Outlook, open File, then Options, then Add-ins, and disable the add-ins one by one to find the one causing the issue. If the layout of Outlook looks broken, Microsoft also recommends resetting the navigation pane. First close Outlook, then press Windows key plus R, type outlook.exe/resetnavpane, and click OK. Microsoft notes that this can fix problems related to the Outlook window opening incorrectly or the navigation area not displaying the way it should. If your folder layout or message list view is the issue, you may need to reset the views instead. Microsoft's command line guidance includes Outlook startup switches, and Microsoft support articles also reference Outlook/cleanviews for clearing custom views. After using that command, some customized views or shared calendar displays may need to be set up again. Now, if Outlook is still not working properly and you want the closest thing to a full settings reset, the best option is to create a new Outlook profile. Microsoft says your Outlook profile contains your Outlook settings, and if it becomes corrupted, creating a new one can solve the problem. To do that, hold Shift while starting Outlook, open the profile. Picker, choose Options, then New, and create a fresh profile. After that, add your email account to the new profile and use it as the default if everything works correctly. So the simplest way to reset Outlook to default settings is this. Try Safe Mode first. Reset the navigation pane if the layout is broken, reset views if your folders look wrong, and create a new profile if you need a deeper reset. That is the most reliable way to bring Outlook back to a clean working state. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.